Hey everyone! In this video we are going to go over how to use the Glass Infuser Teapot from Full Leaf Tea. To start, remove the lid from the infuser basket and add your desired amount of tea leaves to the basket. Then add your desired amount of water at the recommended temperature for your specific tea. This teapot can hold up to 18.5 ounces of water. This infuser basket in particular is excellent because the holes are so small that even finer tea leaves and herbs will not slip through. Reinsert the lid and let your tea steep to its recommended time. After it's steeped, you can now remove the infuser basket and your tea is now ready to enjoy. This teapot is not stovetop safe and should only be hand washed. Thanks for tuning in to this video. We hope it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to keep up to date with more videos from Full Leaf Tea.